Hi everyone, welcome to KSR Data Vision YouTube channel. Today we are back with a few more charts. But we have already covered the column chart, stacked column chart, pie chart and donut chart. But if you have missed any charts, if you have missed watching any charts, you can watch it from the links provided in the description box. So yeah, before we go through the new charts, right? 100% stacked column chart and 100% stacked bar chart. First, we will understand the scenario, why we are going with these charts, and what are the challenges which we have faced in the previous charts. Okay. So I'll give you an example. So let's take a university students example. Okay, so there are 400 students in an university. It's just an example. So out of which there are multiple groups. Okay, in your engineering, there will be multiple branches, right? So they let's say triple EC and computer science branch CSC. So there are 100 members from a triple E, out of which 50 members got placed, means they got jobs. Out of 200 students, 100 members they have got placed, and out of 100 members from CSC group, 50 members got placed. So now my question is, my use case is, what is the percentage of people who got placed from EC? So from this group, how many members got placed? So you tell me now whether I have to consider this 100 divided by overall ECE students or the overall students in the university. Whether I have to go with 100 divided by 200 or 100 divided by 400. Because I just want to understand the percentage of people who got placed from ECE alone. So obviously I'll be going with this option only, right? This will be the right choice, right? Because I don't want to check like from the university overall how many people got placed. No, from ECE alone, how many members got placed. So I'll be going with this first option. So 100 divided by 200 means it will be 0.5, means 50% of the people got placed, because I just want to understand from the particular group alone. So this kind of scenario we have faced in pie chart and donut chart. So when I want to understand what is the sales happening in each of the region in a particular category, say suppose technology, right? Within technology, I have to, I want to understand what is the sales happening towards central region, east region, south region, and west region. But here I am not able to achieve. Why? Because each of these percentage is calculated with respect to the overall group, of overall sales. I only wanted to calculate the sales of each region with respect to technology alone. So if I have to, if I sum up this one, right, 7.42%, 11.53, 6.48 and 10.97, I have to get 100%. But I am not getting 100%. Why? Because this percentage of each region is calculated with respect to overall, but I don't want that overall. I wanted only with respect to a particular group. So this is my use case, and this I am not able to achieve. So it is by overall means it is like pie chart, whatever we have seen in pie chart, right? It is distributing overall. Same thing even in donut chart also we are not able to achieve. If we take this, right, here also with respect to region, I want to understand what is the sales happening, right? So even here if I drag and drop the region, right, see, with respect to technology, central region is making the same 7.42, and east region is making 11.53%, and south region 6.48, and with respect to west region it is 10.97. So when I sum up this percentage, it is not contributing to 100%. Why? Because this is giving the sales with respect to the overall sales, means denominator it is taking the overall sales, which I don't want. I want to calculate within that group, within the technology it has to calculate. So neither a pie chart nor donut chart is able to give us this value, right? So that's why we are going with one more chart. It is called 100% stacked column chart. So let me drag and drop this skeleton. So this is 100% stacked column chart. So here same thing, I will drag and drop. Okay, so this is the form. So in Axis always we should take the categorical value only, not numerical. So I'm taking this category, and values always we will take the numerical value. So I am taking the sales value, and legend is some additional information with which I want with respect to the region. So let's take region. So since you're not able to see the values, right, within the technology, region wise, I want to see the values. So I'll go to this format option, format your visual. So here you can see data labels. Data labels will give you the actual values. So I'll turn on this data labels. So here you can see the value. So if you sum up these values, right, so within the technology, so within the technology, each region how it is performing. West region, it is giving me the sales with respect to West region is 30.14%, and the sales with respect to South region is 17.79, and the sales with respect to east region is 31.69, and central region is 20.38%. Means the percentages are calculated not with the overall sales but with respect to individual groups. Here individual groups are technology, furniture and office supplies. So this case study I was able to achieve using the 100% stacked column chart. So each of the group it will take as 100%. So technology is 100%, furniture is 100%, office supplies is 100%, and within this 100%, I want the additional information, that is the legend, that will be the region. So within technology, the region is getting distributed. So when you sum up these values, it will contribute to 100%. So this is about 100% stacked column chart. And we also have one more chart called 100% stacked bar chart. So both are almost similar, only just the orientation will change. That's it. So let's see how this looks. So I'll drag and drop this onto the canvas. So as I said, axis we will take the categorical values only. Let's take this category, and values will always be a numerical value. So let's take sales, and legend is the extra information which I want to check region wise. Within the category, region wise, what is the sales? So if you see that the orientation is changed, that's it. And since I'm not able to see the data labels, right, values I'm not able to see, just go to format option, turn on the data labels. So now I can see within the technology what is the percentage of sales happening with respect to central region, with respect to each east region, south region and west region, and similarly for other categories like furniture and office supplies. The only difference between these two is the orientation part. So this will be the stacked column chart, 100% stacked column chart, and this is 100% stacked bar chart. So based on the scenario, like when you have more categorical values, right, you can go with this 100% stacked bar chart. So yeah, thanks for watching. We will come back with a few more charts in the next video. Thank you so much.